this is Luke from Ion Sport, and today I'll be showing you how to use our innovative stats database in SportsFocus Analyzer. So the first thing we're going to do is open up SportsFocus Analyzer, opening up under localhost. Once we have SportsFocus open, we're just going to close everything that is not the main screen. We're going to select in the top right hand corner the little square with 3 straight lines. From here you can see the stats database, so we're going to select that, and it gives us a list of stat type to search, which is based on what sport each individual analysis session has been tagged in. So for this one, we're going to open up the Rugby League 5 sessions on the bottom, which will load all the sessions through and open up our stats search and stats result windows. I'm going to expand these just so we can see a little bit more what's happening here. Open up our matches, our team and players, and our player positions. So the wonderful thing about this is that we're able to use this stats database to not only search across all 5 individual stat games, but also through each individual game, tracking players, tracking teams. Whatever you need to discover from the stats that you've made, you can do through the stats database. So I'll just run through a few examples here. So we're going to go in a little bit more in depth in the under 15 1 round 15 game. We're going to find out all of Windsor's involvement in goals and tries. Okay, so once you've set your parameters, which I have here with our matches, our team and players, and our stats themselves, we select search. Under here we can then see that we have tries and goals all the way through from all of those from the game round 15, the U15 wins. So we're going to select this now, which will load the video and take us to where we need to be in the actual film to watch the try. Please do remember to set in your lead in, so you know that you can watch the play in the lead up. You can set that from 0 all the way through to 30 seconds. We're going to set ours at 15 today. So again, I'll select it. Allows us to see the lead up to the play, as you can see here, just before the try is scored. It's very simple to search through the stats database. You simply just click on the tag, and it will show you the try just before it occurs with your lead in. Follow to the next try. Same thing again. We can use this in a myriad of ways to analyze the actual stats database. It all depends on what is useful to you and your club. Okay, so we're going to try something a little bit more different here. We're going to reselect all of our matches. We're going to reselect all of our teams and players. And we're going to select all of the action tags again, so we can start from base. So say that we would like to follow Windsor's number 6, their 5'8", through the 5 matches and his entire involvements across the entire 5 games. So we're going to leave all 5 matches selected. We're going to unselect here and select Windsor. We're going to unselect here and select 5'8". Okay. Because we want to track his involvement across all 5 games, we will leave all of our tags up. Once you've completed that, you press search. Down here again will pop up every single one of his involvements, and you can sort via time, match, action, player, or team. So from here we're going to sort by action, just so we get a little bit better of an understanding of what he's done. See all these errors on the top with his goals all the way through. Okay, so we're just going to follow and have a look at the 2 tries that he scored over the 2 weeks, one being in the preliminary final and one being in the qualifying final. Please do remember to set in your lead in. As you can see here, we have a 15-second lead in once again, so we'll be able to see the play envelop. Backing up through the middle, he scores under the uprights. Again, for the qualifying final, the same player, tracking his involvement across all 5 games. He takes an intercept in this game and runs the length of the that is just a small sample of what our stats database can do. I hope I evidenced to you correctly and that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.